In this section, you'll learn about wide area networks. I remember when I was first learning networking that how WAN technologies worked in the real world was quite hard to get a handle on. It was hard to learn it from the books. We didn't have videos back then because my WAN connection was a 56K modem. So videos now can make this a bit more easier to understand. So that's what I'm going to try to do here. So I'll explain what all the different WAN technologies are, and I'll also show you network diagrams that are going to show the different options that are used for deploying them in the real world. So things that we'll cover here, we'll talk about virtual private networks, we'll talk about leased lines, we'll also cover MPLS, we'll cover PPPoE over DSL. Let's get started.